Yes, I do.
In the course of your testimony,
Yes,
have you in any way tried to respond to any of the 3 issues that the governor is accused of?
I have not been asked to.
You have not been. It was not supposed to be asked. Have you, I'm asking you now, have you attempted to respond to any of the 3 charges that the governor has been accused of?
It was a cross-examination,
I am
so
asking
I
you
have not been asked.
Answer the question. Have you
No.
attempted to respond to any of the 3 charges the governor has been accused of?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Witness, let's start with the issue of the alleged call between you and the mover of this motion.
Yes.
I have looked at your certificate of electronic evidence.
Yes.
Was it you who prepared the same?
Through the DCA.
Are you the one who prepared that certificate?
Yes, it's in page 261, 262.
That's not my question. Are you the one who prepared that certificate?
It's the DCA.
It was not you who prepared it.
I reported the information to the DCI.
Do you understand my question? I'm talking about a document contained at page 261, volume 1 of the governor's response. Your name is Kibet Bosuben Hillary, correct?
Yes, yes.
There is a document there titled Certificate of Electronic Evidence.
Yes.
Is that your document?
Yes, that's my document.
That's your document. Was it you prepared or it was prepared by someone else?
It's me.
It is you, correct?
Yes.
I want you to look at number 1 before we. So, do you confirm that the contents of that document are true and correct?
100%.
Every detail
correct.
of it?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us go to paragraph 2. Whose number is that? You have stated that that number belongs to Rogon, Honorable Rogon. Whose number is that? Can you read the number?
0724.
Page 261 of volume 1 of the governor's response. Can you read the number that you have attached now that you have owned that document?
0724.
Yes.
290.
Yes. Proceed to read what you have put in the certificate of electronic evidence.
That's it.
Is that a valid number?
No, for privacy.
Is that a valid number?
For privacy.
Answer my question. Is that a valid phone number?
No.
Have you tried to explain that you have truncated the number for security reasons?
I felt it was.
Is that a valid number?
No.
Does that number belong to the mover of the motion?
It has 3 missing digits, of which I did this.
So this is not his number, correct?
It's his number, but with missing digits.
This is number.
But with missing digits.
So it is not his number?
Yes.
You have proceeded and given your number at paragraph, the same paragraph.
Yes.
Were you not concerned about the privacy issues that you're talking about?
For my case, I don't care, because he could have sued me for exposing his privacy. But for my case, I don't care. I don't mind.
So then you are aware of data protection, I presume, correct?
And that's why I never put those.
You are then aware of data protection laws in Kenya, correct? That's why you
Some sections.
You are aware?
Some sections.
And you are concerned about his security and privacy, correct?
Yes.
Did you seek his consent, the person to whom you're recording, before you recorded them?
I will not have done so. How could I do so? He could have hidden some information.
On one hand, you're telling us you wanted to protect the privacy of the person.
Yes.
Whose number you're putting here. But are you also aware that it is even more dangerous and more criminal to record someone's private conversation? Doesn't that violate their right to privacy, to conversation?
Counsel, it's common sense.
It's not common to everyone. Answer my question.
Yes.
Don't you know that the Data Protection Act
No, I don't know.
criminalizes the recording of private conversation?
I don't know.
You do not know?
Yes.
I put it to you that it is a criminal offense to do that.
I'm getting it now.
You're getting it now.
Yes.
Even then, we have been able to confirm
Yes, sir.
that this is not Honorable Dogon's number, correct? It is not his number, correct?
But I can prove it is.
It is not his number. Is it his number?
But there are some digits.
Is this his number?
No.
Thank you. Let us go at paragraph 5C. You have talked of dates and time of recording.
Yes.
Have you provided the date and time of this recording?
Time of recording
You have
is
not.
captured here. Yes.
You have not.
Time of recording is captured 6 minutes and a few seconds.
That is not that is the duration of the call. I'm talking about the time and date of recording. Does it appear in your certificate of electronic?
Not actually, not true.
You have not put it there.
Yes.
Mr. Witness,
Yes.
I want to put it to you
Mm.
that this is your imagination. You have manufactured this audio for the purposes of seeking sympathy from the Senate. What would you say?
No. You know, counsel, it's easy providing evidence when you know the truth. And these are facts I can provide.
And
just
what was
like
so
I alluded.
difficult? You've said it is easy. What was so difficult then for you to produce the actual time, place, and the full number of the phone that called you? You have not, isn't it?
We are human
You
beings.
have
and there
not,
are
isn't
errors.
it? You have not, isn't it?
Yes.
So there is no way of then verifying that indeed this call came from Honorable Rogon.
I can verify.
Is there a way this Senate is able to verify
Yes.
that indeed this phone call came from Honorable Rogon?
Yes.
What are the means?
I can provide it now.
You had the opportunity and the means to do that. Did you do that?
No, that's why I'm
You
here.
had the means and the opportunity to do that, to reduce it into writing. Did you do that?
I'm doing it now. That's why I'm here, counsel.
Thank you. But you also confirm that you did not seek the permission of the person you are talking to before recording, correct?
Yes, and I could not have done so. Oh, yes, yes.
You did not, correct?
Yes, I did not.
How many other people do you record, by the way, when you are having conversations with?
Uh,
Is it in your habit to record everyone that you're having
no.
Why was it necessary for you to record this conversation with the person that you are talking to?
It was a sinister call. It was a suspicious call.
What was so suspicious about it?
Rogonyi was a motion mover. I was on the other end opposing the motion.
Is Rogoni an enemy to you?
No, just like I alluded in the first instance, Rogonyi is a friend. We are in 3 committees
So
together.
what
so
would
he's a
be
friend.
so strange if a friend calls you,
At that
assuming the call came from Rogoni?
Okay, what made me or what triggered?
The question I'm asking, what is so suspicious about a call
And that's what
from
I'm
a friend?
explaining.
Yes.
And that's what I'm explaining, counsel.
Yes.
I said we talked some few minutes with Rogonyi, and what he said suggested that he voted for me, and that's why I opted to record. That information triggered.
Let us interrogate that conversation. Did you believe the content of that conversation from
Yes.
whoever it came from?
Yes.
You believe every word that was uttered in that?
Yes.
There is a place where the person on the other end says, you voted. Do you recall that in your audio?
Yes.
Did you believe that fact?
No.
But you are able to believe that he voted for you.
Okay, in Kalenjin dialect, you
I am not a Kalenjin, so I do not understand.
Okay, then
you have also not. You have not. I am taking the plain meaning and ordinary meaning of that sentence.
Then it's quite unfortunate.
He said you voted, correct?
Yes.
And you said you believed what he was saying, correct?
Not all the contents, because I never voted.
So you chose to pick what to believe and what not to believe.
That's why I brought the whole clip for this house to confirm.
Clearly, the voice in that audio
Yes.
is a person who is drunk, correct?
Yes.
He even confirmed that he's drunk, correct?
Yes.
What value would you place in the words of a person who clearly confirms that they are drunk? What value would you place?
You know, Council.
He confirms he's drunk, correct?
Yes, yes.
What value would you place in the words and utterances of a drunk person?
You know, for us,
I do not know about you. Just, I'm asking you specifically.
That's what I'm trying to explain.
What value would you give to utterances by a person who confesses that they're actually drunk?
The drunk people are very honest. They can say anything without ID.
Are you an expert in mental assessment?
You know, I'm friends to so many people who are drunk.
Do you believe, Mr. Witness?
Yes.
There's an instance where the person on that call says,
Yes.
I will take you to Dubai and Rwanda, correct?
Yes.
Did you believe that that was possible?
It's possible.
How would it be possible?
Okay, we know, and I will wish, okay, I will request later on.
Let me ask a very straightforward question.
Yes, yes.
Who approves trips in the county assembly?
The speaker.
Were you talking to the speaker?
No.
Were you talking to the speaker who approves meetings and trips?
Of course, common sense. When you have connection.
What you're calling common sense is not that common.
You know, I know because I've been in that assembly more than you know the assembly. I've been in that assembly and I know the operations of that assembly. When you have connection with the speaker, you can decide anything. That's why he was saying he can give me position of leper.
But you are not talking to the speaker at the moment, correct?
But I understand the operations of that assembly.
Let's proceed. You have been showed a clip of the proceedings of the House on 15th of August, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you allege that the majority of the members were against electronic voting.
Yes.
That the nays had it and not the yes, correct?
Yes.
In your assessment, how many people were against? 18. You were 18.
We were 18.
And how many were for the electronic?
29.
29. Simple mathematics. Who are the majority? 29 or 18?
Simple mathematics, 29.
How is it that the nays are the majority?
You know, the speaker used the voice, not the number. So we were louder.
Mr. Witness, you have confirmed arithmetically that 29 were for the electronic voting. And 18 were not.
Yes.
Who are the majority?
29.
Thank you. Let us go to the other issue. You obviously came to the chambers prepared not to vote, correct?
Yes.
You knew from the very beginning that you are not going to vote?
No.
Is it a yes or no?
No.
The first time was
no.
Yes, then it's a no.
You repeat the question in a different fashion. No.
You came to the chambers knowing that you're going to vote or you're not going to vote?
I was going to vote.
Were you aware that Standing Order 77 provides for electronic voting?
Yes, I do.
Is that binding upon the members and also the speaker?
Yes.
How were you prepared to vote electronically, knowing that you were not ready for it?
I knew because we were going, I knew the speaker, if he was fair, he could have given us the opportunity to vote on a roll call. But he refused.
The answers, standing orders provide for electronic voting.
And if the members, if you could have read the whole standing orders.
Simply put, you came not prepared to vote electronically, correct?
Electronically, yes, correct.
Thank you. We have also seen that one Honorable Paul B. Allegedly. Protested and abstained from voting. But the Hansards allegedly captured that he was off record. Explain to these honorable members who are also parliamentarians what an off-record remark means. What does it mean?
It was not captured in the Hansard.
What would make a remark not captured by Hansards?
I don't know.
You are a parliamentarian. You are a member of the county assembly. What would an off-record mean?
In fact, I'm surprised because it could not have been off-record.
Let me educate you.
Yes.
An off-record means that it is a remark made, number one, without the permission of the speaker, or if it is not captured by a microphone, where the Hansard are supposed to capture, correct? Am I right?
You are right.
Did Honorable B in that video proceed to the clerk's desk where the microphone is and sought to go on record. Did he?
Yes.
We can watch it again.
They can replay.
Kindly replay that video. Let us see where Honorable Paul B is at the time of making that remark.
Yes.
Technical team, kindly. Kindly, technical team, let us see Honorable Paul B making the alleged protest. As we wait for the video.
Yes.
As per the structure of the County Assembly of Kericho, the microphone is only available at the clerk's desk, correct?
Yes.
That is where all contributions are made, official communication, so that they go on record, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us see Honorable Paul B.
I abstain.
Is that an off-record or on-record? Just pause. Is that an off-record or on-record remark?
There is a microphone there.
Where? The microphone is in a designated place.
Okay.
Is Paul B shouting from the floor or at the designated place where the microphone is for the purposes of capturing records?
On my observation, he was close to the microphone.
We are all observing, so
Yes.
it's not only dependent on the
Based on
observation. But let us look at the video. Where is he making that remark from? The floor, shouting, or in the
Clerk's-
designated place?
Near clerk's desk.
Near, but not at the designated place, correct? You don't need to explain. We can see what is happening.
Yeah.
You brought, this is your evidence.
Yes.
He's not gone on record. Correct?
Yes.
Thank you. So you cannot then accuse the speaker of tampering with the records, because that is an off-record remark, correct?
I don't think so.
Let us go to the contents of your affidavit. But before we go there, Council Katwa Kigen has also played a video
Yes.
where 18 members stood confirming that they were against the impeachment motion and that they were not going to vote electronically, correct?
Yes, sir.
At that juncture,
Mm.
had the debate in respect to the motion been debated?
Yes.
At what point was it? We have the answer here.
Okay, I moved the motion, but
It was actually at the beginning of the opening remarks by Council
Very true,
Katwa
very
Kigen.
true, very true.
So the members of the County Assembly had not debated the motion.
Yes. Very true. I
Very
agree with
true.
you. Yes.
So when Council Katwa Kigen asked members of the County Assembly to stand
Yes.
and be counted,
Yes.
had the question been put by the Speaker for them to be counted?
It was before.
It was before.
Yes.
In your assessment, was that an attempt to take over the proceedings of the House or not? Calling members of the County Assembly to make their stand known before the motion was debated, is that conduct that is allowed in parliamentary proceedings?
Well, building a case.
You were building a
Well,
case.
that was a sign of communication.
Thank you. So you are building a case.
Yes.
And this is the case you produced before the Senate.
Yes.
Does Council Katwa Kigen take charge of the proceedings in the County Assembly?
No.
Did he have the powers to ask members of the County Assembly to stand and be counted and a vote be taken before the motion was debated?
Yes, yes, he can do so.
He
Because
can do.
just like you are asking me questions.
Thank you. Luckily, we are speaking to parliamentarians,
Yes.
but you confirm that came way before the motion was debated
Yes.
to build your case.
Yes.
And this is your case before Senate today.
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you done, Council, for the County Assembly?
Just a minute, Honorable Speaker. I just have a few more. You have signed an affidavit that you've presented before the Senate, correct?
Yes.
And in that affidavit,
Yes, sir.
18 of you
Yes.
appeared before a commissioner for oaths and saw an affidavit.
Yes.
explain to me how that affidavit was signed. Were you present when that affidavit was signed by all the members?
Yes.
Where was it signed from?
7th floor of Cable Plaza, Marisha building.
Page 115
115.
of the volume 1 of the governor's volume. Do you abide by the contents of that affidavit yourself? You're
Yes.
among the people who signed this
Yes.
affidavit.
Yes.
So we are to take that the contents of that affidavit are true.
Yes.
Let us, number one, look at paragraph 114. Page 114, paragraph 8. You say that during the said voting session, electronic voting machines were introduced and used without prior notice. Were there any machines that were introduced and used in the County Assembly of Kericho? You mentioned of machines produced.
Yes.
Were there any voting machines produced?
We were told.
You were told.
Yes.
You confirm on oath that machines were produced. Now you're saying there were no machines. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Were there machines?
I never even took time because I was determined not to press or to go to any machine.
So you did not even attempt to log in to even find whether you are able to vote or not?
Never.
So you didn't even know whether the system was working or whether it was simple or not? You wouldn't know? You never bothered, that's what you said?
Just like I said before, I know our assembly. So I could not have attempted to touch or even see any gadget in the
But
assembly.
you confirm that there were no machines that were introduced. There were no machines introduced, correct?
Pardon?
Were there any machines produced, voting machines produced?
I believe so, because the speaker said there are some gadgets.
It is not an issue of believing, it's an issue of fact. This is something you've deponed on oath. And you state categorically that machines were introduced. Were there any machines introduced in the County Assembly?
Yes, I think so.
What were those machines?
Laptops, I don't know, some stuff there in the front. I don't even know because I never took my
Mr.
time.
Witness,
Yes, sir.
this is your affidavit.
Yes, sir.
What machines were produced? For
There
the
was
purpose of-
there were some laptops and some screens mounted on the wall.
So was the screen mounted on the wall a voting machine? Is that
No.
what you want us to believe?
It was displaying
I want,
the voting pattern.
my interest is in the machine that was produced and installed.
Yes.
Which machine is that?
The machines we were told to use are our phones.
What? Oh, so now your phone is the machine that
Yes.
was introduced.
Okay, what I was referring was my phone.
You can distance yourself from this paragraph if you're not comfortable with it.
No.
I do not understand what no means. Do you want to distance yourself from what you have stated in this affidavit?
No.
You still abide by it?
Yes.
And what are the machines that were introduced?
Laptops and our phones.
Those were the machines that were
Yes.
introduced. Mr. Witness, on
Yes,
my
sir.
last question,
Yes, sir.
are you familiar with the provisions of your standing order 115?
115, unless I check.
And before you check,
Yes, sir.
you confirm that you did not vote.
Yes.
And you also came determined not to vote electronically.
Yes.
Correct? Correct?
Yes.
So you did not register your abstention in this vote. You did not.
Yes.
You did not. I want you to read for me 115J. 1J. 115J. Read 115.1. 115.1.
115.1.
Yes.
Conduct is disorder.
What is the title?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
Yes.
1.
Conduct is disorderly if the member concerned create sexual disorder.
Go J, to J.
Okay, fails to record abstention in a division.
Fails to record abstention in a division.
Yes.
Which you did, correct? You did not record abstention in a division, correct? You said you did not vote. You did not even bother.
Yes.
Thank you.
But we record our abstention in division by standing.
There was an opportunity for you to record that by voting, pressing the button abstain. Did you press that button abstain? You did not.
No.
So you're asking this Senate to actually confirm that you are guilty of disorderly conduct. And you also want this Senate to congratulate you and also reward you for disorderly conduct. Is that what you're asking the Senate to do?
It's upon the determination of the Senate to listen to our views.
Thank you. That's all for this witness.
Thank you.
Counsel for Governor, any re-examination?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Witness.
Yes, sir.
When you say there were machines, what did you mean? What did you have in mind? What was it you are referring to?
My phones. My phone, our phones, and the laptops in the class.
So apart
desk.
from your phones, the laptops, what else were there? Were there anything else?
The screen mounted.
There were screens also. Thank you. Now, I would like the technical team to take us to the same clip that was played by my learned friend, Mr. Mutuma, on the comments made by Honorable Paul B. And as the technical team does that, I wanted to move on to something else. Did the provision that you have to vote by electronic, was the electronic voting the only means of voting that was?
No, we had other options.
What were the other options you had?
Second division and third roll call voting.
And there was also an option for roll call voting.
Yes.
And that is provided for in your standing orders.
Yes.
And did you ask for that roll call voting?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'd like you to look at the provisions. You've been asked that you misconducted yourselves under standing order number 115.
Yes.
By refusing to press a button.
Yes.
I would like you to read out to the honorable senators standing order number 77-8.
778 of our standing orders says, any member present in the assembly, but who shall not have voted at the expiry of 5 minutes or after the announcing of the results, whichever is earlier, shall forfeit the right to vote and shall be deemed to have abstained from voting. Thank you.
So as it were from that standing order, is it true that you had an option not to vote at all?
Yes.
And would that be misconduct?
No.
And what type of a vote would that be?
Abstained.
It would be abstaining. Thank you. If the technical team is ready, please, if you could play that video of Paul B. walking forward. And just before it is played, I want you to just look out for a number of things. The first one, both from the Hansard and from the clip, and the Hansard is at page 256 to 257. I want it to come out to the honorable senators through you, Mr. Witness, that Mr. Paul B's coming is at the invite of the speaker. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Number two, that where he goes to talk, where he goes to make his comments, is where the clerk is pointing him to, or at least the assistants of the county assembly. So I want you to watch out that.
Correct.
And lastly, that after he spoke, the speaker acknowledged his comments. If we could play the clip now.
I abstain.
Honorable Paul B. Abstaining is you still press the button.
That's okay. So from the reading of the Hansard and the clip we are seeing, Mr. Bolpi walked there when he was invited by the Speaker, isn't it?
Yes.
When he walks nearer the clerk's desk, the two assistants are showing him where to stand and talk, isn't it?
Yes.
And he does that, isn't it?
Yes.
So is it true, as my learned friend put it to you, that the comments were made without the permission of the Speaker?
It is not true.
The truth is that
It was directed by the Speaker.
he was invited, he was shown where to speak, and his comments are acknowledged, isn't it?
Yes.
And in the situation, should